today's baker is lasagna. And a pattern for this one, sauce, noodles, cheese.
And whose house are you at?
Tracy.
You're going to spread it.
And then you just spread the sauce all over. And spreading, keep on spreading. And spread into
Oh, you're doing awesome.
done.
You ready to do the noodles? Okay. All right, you get a noodle. You're going to put it in a layer.
This is mine.
And put it right down. Perfect. And you put another noodle. Put them all the way across.
Like these long skinny ones.
Can we help you? You want to overlap them just a little bit. Okay, now to the next one. Okay, and one more. Right on down. Perfect. Oh, now what comes next?
Cheese.
Don't lick. We don't lick it here.
We just won't show Bob this.
I'm going to spread it around.
Do you know what this is? This is the cheese. And Aunt Mandy made the parsley.
Can I cut it here?
Let me get it all out. Okay. This one's kind of hard to spread, so I use this small spoon to spread. It's a little bit easier. You want to spread it all over. Get it all the way. Do you need some more on that side?
I'm doing today's baker.
What are you making, Zoe? You remember?
A salami.
Filming an episode of Today's Baker.
What is this
Michael's
called?
set up here.
Salami.
No, it's not salami.
She's doing
Lasagna.
salami.
Lasagna.
Lasagna, I'm sorry.
All right. Say this.
This is today's baker. We were making lasagna.
And Aunt Tracy will bake it, and we'll get to eat it.